Why it's important that we recall this? It's because of these questions, these very valid questions, this criticism that is coming from inside India, to divert attention from that, because they don't have any answers to this. What they do? They attack Pakistan, so that the whole attention of their domestic public, all this criticism is diverted to something else. And as we will see, as you must have seen, that before doing that, they gag the complete media. They ban the thousands of Twitter handles and social media sites. They ban all sort of digital media that is operating inside Pakistan, so that their public only listens to what they are telling them. You don't have any answers to why it happened, how it happened, who did it. You don't have any evidence. So what you do, you open up the military front. Is it the first time that India is doing this? That creating or using a terror incident for political purpose, for domestic political objectives? No, there is a history to it. Let's recall this incident that happened in 2000, quarter of a century ago, in Chhattis Singhpura. Listen to the general officer commanding there at that time. Listen to a general of the Indian Army telling you the truth of that incident.
Army was guilty there, Captain Tuck. They were misused. रात ਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ, ਪੂਰੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਬਣਾਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮ ਚ ਆਉਣਾ, ਰਫੜਾ ਟੰਗ ਦੇਣੀਆਂ ਦਰਖਤਾਂ ਨਾਲ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਲਣ ਖੁਲਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਏ। CID पूरी ਕੱਢ ਲਈ ਸੀ ਪਿੰਡ, ਇਸ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੀ, ਕਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਸੌਂਦੇ, ਕਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਆ ਕਰਦੇ, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਹੈ, ਕੌਣ ਚੌਧਰੀ, ਮੇਲਸ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਨੇ, ਹਥਿਆਰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਨੇ, ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਕੱਢ ਲਿਆ। And then one night they came, ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ, ਚੈਕਿੰਗ के लिए निकल आओ बाहर आओ, सारे आओ, मेल सारे बाहर आ जाओ। वो लाइन अप कर लेते ਸੀ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੇ, फ्रेंडली लाइन अप। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ कॉन्फिडेंस देता, फिर फैसला किया, अद्धी एक दिन आ गए 10 बजे रात को, निकलो बाहर, गुरुद्वारे को लाइन अप करे ताकि भज जान पिंड छड़ के।
तो कोई आर्मी वालों कोई एक्शन या तो कोई?
We gave the full report. We said army was involved. Clinton kicked up a row. Due to me, a lot of lives have been lost. I want to know exactly what happened. The other human rights organization, United Nations, sent, and we sent them the report. क्या होया? They knew. Americans knew.
तो the पीछे कोई उस killing के पीछे political reasons भी सीगे?
No, only this. They exposed the BJP government, and BJP government wanted to tell Clinton J&K की हो रहा, पाकिस्तान के बरखला प्रोपेगेंडा करना सी। ये देखो पाकिस्तान की कर रहा है, पाकिस्तान ने साढ़े सिख लाइन अप करके मारते।
So basically BJP planted this
to impress Clinton to help India against Pakistan. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੰਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ, ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦ ਇਹ ਰੌਲਾ ਪਿਆ, फिर अडवाणी ने फिर ऑर्डर दिता कि देखो जल्दी से कुछ करो जिससे कन्विंस हो जाए भाई इन्होंने किया था, ये वो पकड़ लो किसी को। इन्होंने 5 इनोसेंट बंदे कश्मीरी पहाड़ के ऊपर जाके मारते जी, they were innocent boys.
So once we question what they are saying now, there is a history to it, of killing innocent people for their political objectives, pinning blame on Pakistan, covering it up by further killing innocent Kashmiris and Muslims and posing them as terrorists.